Mama!
Hindi ka kasya dyan, malaki ka eh.
Then something old, card number 35. Okay, thanks. Thank you.
Ako din yung tindero. Ay, yung tindero doon. Anong bebuin mo?
I want to buy a orange.
O, bayad mo. What? Hindi ko siya. Okay, kami. Orange. Dapat may ganito ko. Oo, may ganito ka. Tapos ikaw bibili, tapos ako muna.
Here,
Orange.
orange and pineapple
Pineapple.
and apple also. Okay, third one. What else? Corn. I love corn.
The last corn.
Not yet. Fish.
Fish.
Okay, wow, it's very good. Fish. Wow, bread.
Bread.
I'd like to buy bread. Orange juice. Where's the orange juice?
Yes.
Yeah, orange juice. Is it orange juice?
Yes, yes.
Yes, orange juice. What else? I want to buy
Milk. Milk.
milk. Do you have a milk? Oh, milk. Okay. Oh,
Ah.
it's a milk. Oh my god.
Ah.
Buy a food.
Iba naman tayo. Ah, sige.
Tatay.
Tit. 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 Ah! Tit.
How much is all?
900.
900. Okay. So, I give you 1,000. By change is 100 pesos. Right?
This year 100 I 1,900 pesos.
Okay. Thank you.